EM News.
D'Alba Revitalizing Serum. Hey guys, Sharon from Ambitious Serte here to talk about amazing D'Alba products that we love, like the double layer revitalizing serum with white truffle. This is a high nutrition version of the white truffle spray serum. You can use this as a deep care for in the morning to have that glowy, dewy, sunny skin. And don't forget that this amazing K-beauty product is infused with lots of white truffle.
Hello, this is Claudia. Yes, and you can use this serum at night for your skincare routine and have that glass skin many Korean celebrities have. Lovely, D'Alba. You can apply it even when you already have your makeup on.
EM News.